This is going to blow your mind. Hello mate, thank you very much.
Birth year, yeah?
Yeah.
Year of birth. Thank you. And the name? Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, so this is a new service that the co-op now offer. Now, up till now, the co-op have only sold groceries through Amazon, but now they also sell silver. So I thought I would film the whole process just to show you how cool it is. Now, I should have a bottle of whiskey, some steak, and 10 ounces of silver. Now, it didn't give me an option to pick what type of silver, just 10 ounces. So it'll be interesting to see what silver they've sent. But let's have a little look. So in the first bag, we have the steak. It's come with a nice ice pack. That's a really cool touch. Keeps it nice and cold. Look at that. Supporting British farms, 2 beef sirloin steaks. Very, very nice indeed. Anything else in there? No, we just have another ice pack. So that is pretty cool. So I'm guessing in this one, we have the whiskey and the silver. So we've got the whiskey, Johnny Walker Black Label, and then the 10 ounces of silver. I'll be very interested to see what they've sent. Here we go, in the corner. This is cool. I haven't seen a tube like this before. I'm guessing this is a tube that holds 10. Very, very cool indeed. And let's try and open it with one hand. Probably going to have to prop this up. Look at this. Nicely packaged. And it is Britannia's. 2024 Britannia's. Let's just double check. There's 10 in here. Wow, look how shiny they are. Very, very nice indeed. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so we have 10 Britannias there. So look at that, what an order. 10 silver Britannias, some steak, and some whiskey. What a great service. And let me know if you've tried this service before. I know it's a fairly new service that the co-op has started offering, so I don't know if anyone has seen it or tried it yet, but I thought I'd give it a go, and I am very, very pleased. So thanks for watching. Hope you all have a nice day, and I'll see you all soon.